Listen, a boat covers 40 km distance in downstream in 8 hours in downstream. That means here I can find the downstream speed. This is 40 by 8. That is 5 km per hour. That means U is 5. Okay. Okay, Ki. And the same boat covers 40 km in upstream in 10 hours. That means upstream. That means 40 km in 10 hours means 4 km per hour. We have the value of V. Okay. Then in how much time same boat covers 45 km in still water? Guys, listen. We need to find out the time taken by a boat in still water. That means we need the speed of the boat in still water first. That means we are required to find out the x. We have u, we have v, we need to find out the x. And x is nothing but 1 by 2 u plus v. This is 1 by 2, 5 plus 4, that is 4.5 kilometer per hour. We need to find out the time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So this will give you the answer. Finish.